Hello everyone, I'm Amin from the Learn Software channel. Today I want to teach you to use data validation in Excel software. Data validation in Excel is a feature that allows you to control what type of data can be entered into a cell or range of cells. It helps to ensure that the data entered meets certain criteria, making your spreadsheets more accurate and reliable. To open data validation, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, then click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Here, in the Setting tab, we can define the validation criteria. As we can see, the validation criteria can be whole numbers, decimal numbers, lists, dates, time, and so on. To learn this Excel feature in detail, I want to provide some examples for you. In the first example, we want to limit the user to enter the whole numbers from 1 to 100 only. In the second example, we want to show a warning message to the user to enter the time before 10 a.m. only. In the third example, we want to provide information to the user to enter decimal numbers less than 1.2. In the fourth example, we want to limit the user to select male or female from the list. Now, let's start with the first example. First, select the cells where you want to apply data validation. Then, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, then click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Depending on the data type selected, you'll need to set the criteria. For example, if you choose whole number, you can specify a range of values or allow only integers. If you choose list, you can enter a list of acceptable values. You can set an error alert to notify users when they enter invalid data. You can customize the error message and choose the style of alert, stop, warning, or information. Here, I define the title of the message as wrong input and I ask the user to enter the correct value. Once you've set up the validation criteria, click OK to apply the data validation to the selected cells. Now, I'm entering some data, and you will see when we enter a whole number of more than 100, we will receive an error message. Now let's jump into the second example. I will do the same process, but this time I will define the criteria as time and its value should be before 10 a.m. Also, I will define an error message, but this time it is a warning message. Now, I'm entering some data, and you will see when we enter time after 10 UAM, we will receive an error message. Since I define it as a warning message, I can accept or reject this data in this example based on my needs. Now, I will do the third example and will follow the same process, but it will be defined for decimal numbers less than 1.2. Here, I will define the error message as an information message to inform the user about entering values of more than 1.2. Now, I'm entering some data, and you will see when we enter the decimal values more than 1.2, we will receive an error message. Now let's do the last example. In this example, we need to define the list in other cells and then define its range for Excel. Please pay attention to the steps carefully. Now, I am entering some data, and you will see that we can select the values from the defined list only, else we will receive an error message. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future tutorials. Also, if you have any problem regarding this lesson, please leave a comment for us. Thank you everyone. Till then, take care.